What's up, YouTube? Back in the dungeon, about to get started on these seat bottoms. Got the top sitting over here in the cut. Got one sitting in the car. But that's what I've been doing all day. Most of the day, cutting out patterns and getting them sewed onto the foam and all that good stuff. See, I'm about to get started on those, see how these come out. And I'll check back with y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all. Halfway through one of the bottoms. Got this section done already. Working on this front section. As you can see right here, that's the little guide foot right here. The guide just, follows along this seam here. And that helps you get them straight stitches all the way back, as you can see. Keep everything nice and straight and consistent all the way across the piece. So that's what I'm working on right there. Here we go. Just finished wrapping that piece up. See how good that look. Now it's time to work on the side pieces to go here and here. And I gotta get that seam to curve out and curve back in to meet up with this stitch, with this seam. Keep it all looking good like I had it on the tops. Like this right here. Curve around and match up with that front seam that's going across the seat. So that's what I'm about to work on now. What up, YouTube? I'm down here in the dungeon trying to get these seats finished up. As you can see, I got 3 more to go. On the bottom, I got this one done. A couple more pieces here to go on those. But I'm gonna try to get this stuff finished up today. That's one less thing I have to worry about. Went to the junkyard and picked up a few little parts that I needed. I needed some more seat foam. So I went and picked these up. Only had 2. I needed 2 more since I'm doing the 4 buckets, as y'all know from the other videos. So I went and picked these things up. The Malibu G6. All those cars come with the heated seats already installed. So that saved me a few bucks on buying those heated seat kits that I was gonna get off eBay. And I just used the factory stuff. The seat frames already come with all the electronics that you need to run it. Just pretty much run power to that. Plug both pieces in back here, and run it to the switch. But you got a low and a high setting. So I took these off of the seat that I got these pieces from. I'm gonna run like a little console or something like that and house that those harnesses in there. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. Got both harnesses, one for each seat. I also picked up these little seat belt, little returner clips to hold, the seat belt off to the side. Since I am doing the 4 buckets, I did grab some seat belt, whatever you want to call this thing, seat belt retainer, something, whatever. But I'm putting the webbing in here. I'm going with blue, and these will be mounted up top doing the shoulder belts. So I grabbed one from each side of that car. These are for the backs of the 2 rear seats. These are the back pieces. I just snatched those off the seats. Got all that stuff, so start putting it together. About to get these other bottoms made up. Slap it on the foam. And that'll probably be all I do today. Probably get the heated seat elements glued onto the backs of the phone. But just to give y'all a little update of what I'm working on. Trying to put these seats together. Y'all stay tuned. Got more videos to come. About to put this old sewing machine to work. I'll keep y'all updated.